Very good morning to all of you students. Now students, we have discussed about what are describing words, what are emojis, how emojis show different expressions, isn't it? Different emotions. So on that there is a task for you which you will do it in your English copies. That is, draw 4 emojis showing different emotions and write one describing word below each. So what I have done, I have not drawn, I have actually drawn it on a paper, then I have cut it and then I have pasted it. You can also do this way, or you can just simply draw it in your copies, and then I have these 4 different emojis I have taken, and just below it I have written happy, angry, worried and shocked. So these are the 4 different describing words which are used for these emojis. So you can draw your own emojis you want, okay, and but it should be 4 in number. So do this, and after this you are going to do another activity. So I'll be showing you that activity right now, okay. So it's activity time, and it's a very easy activity, okay. So what I have done, children, I have cut a circle from the yellow paper, okay, and then what you need, your mama's bindi, I have taken my bindi, okay. Then you need sketch pen, and I have taken a straw, and you can take any stick like broomstick also, you can just break it and use. Then you need a pencil, and you need this sellotape, okay. So that's all you need, and you can also use this glue also. So what I am going to do, I am going to take this yellow paper and I am going to make the eyes, okay. And which emoji I will make, you know, my favorite one, that is the happy emoji. So let me take 2 black color bindis, okay, and then I will just make the eyes of the emoji using these bindis. You can also draw, children, using your sketch pens, okay, but this I find it more interesting, so I have taken it, these bindis, okay. So this one, then we are going to make the mouth. It's very easy, all of you can do this, yes. So this is the mouth I have drawn with the pencil, okay, and then I am going to color it, okay. How you are going to color it, okay, I'll show you this one using the sketch pen. So, and then see, it's all done, nothing very difficult for you, it's very easy. And then I will just open this, okay, and then just take a small piece of this sellotape, and as I said, if you don't have sellotape, you can use glue. You just need to paste this straw on the back side, yes, this way. So see, now my emoji bookmark is ready. So as I told you, if you're reading storybooks or your course books, whatever, and you just you don't have time to complete it the same day, so you just put it inside, use it as a bookmark, so the next day or the next time when you open it, you will find this page. So see, my happy emoji bookmark is ready, and you can make your own. So each one of you make one, and so that's all for today. So from this happy emoji, wish you a very, very happy day. Thank you. Bye.